And it starts in Bethany, a walk to Jerusalem. Now, Jerusalem is the city of peace. And when they say city, they mean consciousness. Think about your mind and how the thoughts come and go. They stopped and they got a colt. Not a grown mare, but the baby. Meek, stubborn, and strong were the characteristics I found about this colt. Jesus rode this colt, which had not been broken or trained or anything. What is that saying about him? To ride this colt means Jesus had a way of making it obey his will. Do you remember we talked about mastery, authority, and dominion before? When I was here before. Mad. Get mad. Your mastery over the animal nature. And that's what he demonstrated for us in that time. Riding that donkey all the way to the consciousness of peace. We have to do that for ourselves. And then, of course, you know, it struck me odd that in the city of peace, there was so much turmoil. And so as they enter Jerusalem, not only has he shown his mastery over this animal nature, he's showing us the mastery we have within us to control those error thoughts, those error states of mind. The whole Lenten season, we've been talking about Jesus let go of this and he let go of that. Anger, fear, doubt. Do we know that just as Jesus did, we can ride out our animal nature that fears and hates and argues and has to be right? We can ride that animal. We can exercise our mastery and authority over it. Nothing out there, not the television, not the internet, not the telephone, can control your thought, your feeling, and your action.